I'm here with Karl the manager of MTDCNC's football team before the epic match coming up in just a few weeks' time. So, Karl, how are you feeling about the team?
Quietly confident. I'm really pleased where we're at in our preparation to date. Still a little bit of a way to go, but so far I'm pleased.
I mean, you're bringing your wealth of knowledge to the table. You've managed the Premier League and the England team under eights and the Bundesliga, Serie A. You know, you've got a lot of knowledge here, Karl. What are you going to bring to the table?
It's a great list of credentials, but don't underestimate this team and where we're at. I'm going to bring some direction, a work ethic, a fitness regime, and some tactics.
Fitness regime. I mean, I don't know if you watched our video the other day, but I'm looking forward to seeing some six-packs on the field then.
Don't be taken in by that short film that we did. Guys were messing about a little bit there. You know, we don't want to show our cards to the opposition, but yeah, quietly, that was a bit of fun, but don't be taken in by it.
So there's going to be a transfer window, and when that closes, have you got any tactics lined up, maybe swapping of players at all?
We've got the team selected. You know, guys, it's not given that they're on the team, but right now it's going to be down to who's working hardest and who wants to play the most.
I mean, you've got the choice, haven't you, between all of that talent?
The depth of skill is unbelievable.
Cannot wait for this match. September the 6th. Any more words, Karl?
No, we're pleased where we're at with our preparation, and yeah, pleased.
Make sure you're watching September the 6th, MTD CNC versus ETG.